is I'm gonna take a video of the train as it leaves Chester now, but this is the last video that I'm doing now before I come home off my holidays. As of Wednesday I'm going to Egypt for a week, so this is the last time I'll be doing my train videos now. Like I say, I'm off to Egypt for a week, so when I come off my holidays from Egypt I'll be doing my videos back. I'll be doing the videos back again, but up until then I'm off to Egypt for a week. So to get the last video of the day, I'll get this Transport for Wales going out on video, then the other train, and then yeah, so let's see what happens when it comes past me now. And obviously okay everyone, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get this train going out on video. So basically we're getting 2 videos in one day basically. Then I'm going to Lime Street station, and then get the train to South Parkway. So it'll be one of them trains over there that I'll be getting, and then from there back to Lime Street, and then Central's Birkdale. So that's gonna be it today. We've not got any displays on the train that it's going to. I don't know if it's off to Lime Street, it's off to Manchester Airport. I don't know, because it's not got any destination on the blinds. Don't know why. Right, so what I was saying before I took the video of the train going out now, this is my last video before I go to Egypt for a week. So when I come home off my holidays I'll start the videos back up again, but this is the last video because I'm off to Egypt for a week. So until I come home off my holidays, goodbye for now.